Hey! Welcome back, Mer-Friends, to JordiNicholson Creations. This is JordiNicholson, and this channel is about makeup and skincare related stuff with a little bit of Sims videos now and Planet Zoo videos because I have a Twitch now. This video has been long overdue. Sorry for the wait. I'm going to try to recreate like a comic book pop art look. Sort of similar to that, but sorry, my ring light's kind of getting into it. But I'm not sure if I'm going to go all exactly like that. I might do a few things by myself. So, let's start. Okay. I'm gonna do the lines first because they look easier. And I'm gonna first try just to do it with this little cheapo Halloween makeup crayon. So, gonna just kind of put the line right here. Ew, that's not. Okay, that's good enough. So that's cool. Just a little small line. You don't want to go all the way around. Because that's not how you draw a nose. You don't go all the way around. Unless you want to draw a little button nose. Is it Cupid's bow? Good. I will go over it later. And then, like right here. Bring it all the way up. And then you gotta get the cheeks right below your, right below your cheekbone, basically where you would put your bronzer or like contour. Get right here. Okay, other cheek. This cheek for some reason was like, seems kind of, I don't know. Ew. I can never get them even. Because yeah. I did put foundation on already, and obviously I put white eyeshadow. Gents Eyeshadow. The company that makes lip scents. But it's eyeshadow. And I already put like a little bit of blush and a little tiny bit of bronzer too. Kind of outline your leg right here too. Yep. 'Cause that's how you draw faces. Not sure about that. Okay, now I'm going to take, I need to outline my lips. So I will be back. Now outline my lips and fill them in. Outline my lips, filled them in. Outline my eyes, exaggerated my eyelashes. Kind of touched up a little bit of the lines with big thick eyeliner felt tip pen. So let's get to the eyeshadow. Just a little tip, if you do this look, don't use a pencil eyeliner, because you'll definitely need to put some pressure and you'll need it to be like more controlled lines and probably finer lines. I mean, I don't think this looks terrible, but we'll see when I edit the video. So I switched to this liquid eyeliner, the pen, to like redo everything to kind of make it look a little more boom. I didn't do my face though. I didn't do the cheeks or the outline right here, but I did everything else. Oh, I didn't do mine right here either, but yeah, just the tip. We're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. I don't really know what color. I don't know. Oh, I wish I would have done the purple lips. Hey, it's not too late. Oops. I just made the eyeliner. Kind of wish I just would have let it be. What the fuck just happened? That's what happened when I took the cap off. Oh, okay. Is it supposed to be like that? Oh, probably. Okay, we're gonna just jump right in and get some of the bracelet color yellow from the Friends palette and just kind of, yeah, just put it all over the lid. Just put it all over the lid. Not outside the lines though. Just think like just imagine you're not painting, not drawing, coloring in a coloring book. Don't go outside the lines. That's not what comic books look like. Okay. I feel like this video is probably going to be one of the easiest to edit. That's kind of why I chose it, because it's been a while since I recorded, so I've been wanting to do something kind of like graphic. Like not like graphic, you know, like gory or like anything with nude or anything like that. Like just like graphic eyeliner or whatnot. Like just a lot, just kind of more so just face painting. Last time I did that was the Rainbow Mermaid look. Okay. I went outside the lines a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. And then next, yeah, looks good. This looks better. Because I think I had too much white near the lash line. I'm gonna use a NYX again to put a liquid liner to just do the lips, even though they're not completely dry. Probably gonna make the lip lines, or on my lips, a little thicker. Make them thick. Okay, let's just do one. Now these should not be real big. They shouldn't be super thick or like super like long. This is the final look. My camera stopped recording, so that's why the video quality and audio quality is different. Since my camera stopped recording, I didn't feel like switching out the SD card, because I'm pretty sure that's the reason why. So I'm just finishing off with my phone. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, and catch me in the next video. I'll catch you later. See ya. Swim out.